Crispy or saucy? Which side are you on? Today, I'm throwing down 2 epic vegan sandwiches that are quick, high protein, and guaranteed to make your mouth water. Stay with me to the end because I have an easy, delicious side that pairs perfectly with both sandwiches. Let's start with the Crispy Tofu Slider. I'm using extra firm tofu, pressed and seasoned, then dunked in a quick batter with crispy corn flakes and pan fried till golden. Don't toss out that leftover batter. Add a little more milk and make onion rings or veggie fritters. It's looking good. Look at this. Crispy. And that's because of those corn flakes. Be careful because you want to always flip it away from you or to splash on you. So kind of flip it away. I have chef's hands so I can go in there and touch it, but I don't recommend you guys doing that. Yeah. Time to make a fresh, tangy coleslaw. This adds the perfect crunch and creaminess to take our tofu sliders to the next level. Now let's get saucy. We're making a high-protein sloppy joe using lentils, textured vegetable protein, and a smoky tomato-based sauce. Are you team crispy or team saucy? Let me know in the comments. I really want to know which one you try first. Okay, as promised, here's that delicious side that pairs perfectly with both sandwiches. My delicious seasoned crispy waffle fries. All right, well boy. Okay, so this is the problem that I'm having with my waffle iron here that I bought out here in Mexico. It's always done this, even with the waffles that I make. So if you're using your waffle iron and it's a good regular waffle iron, then this will work perfectly for you. But right now, we're gonna take these to the stove and just fry them up like some hash browns, okay? So crispy tofu sliders or saucy sloppy joes? Which one's going on your menu this week? And if you're still here, drop a heart in the comments so I know you stayed to the end. Don't forget to save this video on your playlist for those busy weeknights. For these recipes and more, check out my blog, thedivinechef.com. I'll leave all the links in the description below. Also, a shout out and a huge thank you to my new channel member, Rayshawn. Your support means everything to me. And of course, major love to some of my top commenters this week. You always show up and I see you. Thank you for being a part of this amazing community.